Okay, this is your video guide of how to get from Zone 3 and Zone 4 parking all the way into the Med Center so that you know where to go for orientation and your first week of classes. This is all Zone 3 parking, as we discussed before in the video where I drove around and pointed at parking lots. This is Zone 3 as well. Zone 4 is all out past it, way out there. You can kind of see the cars. And then this is the Zone 3 section that's just a tiny bit of paid parking. You're gonna see people coming in and out because this is the walk we all make. So when you're trying to orient yourself, you get out of your car, you're gonna start walking towards the main part of campus. You're gonna see like these trees along here. That's one of the entrances to campus right there. It has the no security gate, but it has a little divider. This is the one that's the exit only, okay? If that helps. So here, you're gonna come towards these little divider walls and you're gonna start your walk. I'm trying to show you all the steps so that you guys aren't wandering around lost like we were last year. Because I mean, I quite literally followed just a random person that was also in slacks because I figured we were all going to the same place. So apologies if this is a little long, but trying to make sure you guys get all the information you need. So again, this is Zone 3. It's just a handful of paid spots. Some of the campus police are in it right now, but those are going to fill really, really quickly in the morning, especially if you're in the later orientation session. That's probably going to be packed. Okay, if you're walking or if you have someone dropping you off, you'll be coming in around the front part of campus, and I'll give you a quick video of that in a little bit. But this is your School of Nursing sign. I'm going to keep going all the way past this, okay? I'm going to be honest. This next part of the walk isn't the most scenic. You've got these lovely trees. I know it's going to be really toasty and you're all going to be dressed nicely, so I know it's a long walk. Ladies, if you're gonna park all the way out here, I recommend either don't wear heels or bring a pair of flats or sandals to walk in. I have been known to throw a more practical pair of shoes on for the walk and then change when I get inside. So here comes the less scenic part of our walk. You're gonna come past the trash cans and this kind of janky metal thing. I wish I had a better term for that. Maybe a storage locker of some kind, voltage, I don't know. I think it does say like danger voltage on it. So just gonna follow this sidewalk along. Unfortunately, that ramp for accessibility doesn't really take us where we're gonna go. What we're gonna do is come up the back entrance to the dental school. This is the inside path. So you can walk all the way around the outside of campus, but I know it's hot and it's summer, so I would recommend this route if possible. Okay, this is a lovely little courtyard. It's really a part of the dental school. You're always welcome to come sit out here, but for the most part, you won't see a lot of people out this way. You can walk up these stairs and go in the shade there, or you can come to the courtyard. They're gonna get you to the same place. I'm sorry, I can't walk and talk faster. I know this is slow. This parking garage is, I believe, Zone 1. Again, I don't really know any students that park at any of the garages. I think technically you can get on the list for a spot, but that list doesn't typically move very quickly at all. Okay, so now we're gonna make our left. So just to show you, that was where I was saying you can come up those stairs and down the edge of the building, or you can come across. If it helps orient you, that's the parking office where you probably got your parking permit. And the student med center is over here on the right. Parking office is on the left. Okay, and there's no excellent parking over there because that's the nursing school. There's no options that are good for us. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this little breezeway and to these doors. It's gonna say Dental Building 2-7, okay? Take your ID, you're gonna hit it. It's gonna unlock that door. You're gonna come inside, okay?